everybody, my name is Avner, and today we're going to do another part of latex. So in my last video, I did latex, okay? And we did three symbols. So we did square root, summation, and exponent, okay? We did all these three, as you can see here. If you guys only saw my last video, okay? Now today, we're going to do another three symbols. Okay, we're gonna continue latex. So to start it off, we're gonna start with product. Now product is like summation. It's just the same thing where you just have to multiply it basically. That's it. Okay? So we have to do st.latex r double quotes backslash prod for product underscore I equals to 1 to the power of n space I. Okay? Or we have to go do the thing, open the website on the browser. Okay, now it's coming. Yeah, so this is what product is. This is how it looks like. Okay? So if the value of I is 5, let's say, we're just going to do 1 to 5. Not I, n is, if n is 5, we have to multiply 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. And that's what we basically have to do. So, that's what product is. It's just like summation, but you have to multiply. Next, we're going to do next thing we're gonna do is matrix. Okay? Matrix. So we did matrix a long time ago, but for people who don't know matrix, this is what it is. Yeah, this is how a matrix looks like. So this is how the matrix looks like over here, okay? That's how it basically looks like. This is how a matrix looks like. Matrix, my bad. Okay. So to do this, to make a matrix, you have to do st.latex. Now, brackets, we have to do single quotes. Okay, it's just like comments. Up there, do single quotes there. Start this off, we have to do this. We have to do begin to start the matrix. Oh yeah, B matrix and what backslash. Yeah. Then we put it just like that. Yeah. 1, and then we have to put the and symbol. We can put any number here, so that's what I'm doing. Okay. We're gonna do 3 by 3 matrix. Actually. Oh. Okay. Then we do backslash and curly braces P matrix. Okay, it's very simple. So we save it, Control S, then Control R to refresh. I did something wrong. Let's see what. Let's see. Oh. Okay, let me go here. Oopsies, my bad. Let me just reshare my screen. Okay. Let's see what happened. Okay, what happened? What happened? Okay, let's see what happened. What happened? Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, we have to add two backslashes, and that's it, right? Oh yeah, I forgot the R symbol. Okay, now it should work. Wait, can they see the screen? Oh, my bad, guys. I didn't share the entire screen, so let me share it. Okay, now I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys should see it. Right? Refresh. Okay, yeah. Here's our matrix. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. See why that happened. Okay, so here is our matrix. You see, it's really not sorted out. So we'll just do a 2 by 2 instead. Yeah, I'll do 2 by 2. Let's see. Yeah, so here it is. I mean, my not 2 by 2, my bad, 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so here's our 2 by 3 matrix. This is how the matrix looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, so we finished matrix and product. Now we have one more to do, and that's going to be watch. Okay. Okay, now our last one is going to be hmm, okay, Greek symbols. Yeah, Greek symbols. We'll just say so, like alpha, delta, like that's like here. I'll show you an example. Yeah, like this. Okay. alpha, beta, gamma, delta, explosions, zeta, like that. Okay, so that's what, like Greek alphabet. Okay, just call it Greek symbols. So st dot latex, which is R double quotes. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. What can we do here? Okay. Okay, so that's so how do you do it again? Okay, yeah, this is how you do it. Oh, my bad. The screen is paused. Okay, that's my bad that the screen is paused. Sorry for that. But so you have to do backslash alpha plus backslash beta, and which equals to gamma. So we save that. Fresh. And yeah, that's the Greek alphabet. Here are the symbols. A, B, and G. That's how a G looks. Yeah, it looks weird. Okay? So thank everybody for listening to my video. Okay? Well, today we did 3 symbols using latex, product, matrix, and Greek alphabet. So, or you can say symbols. Okay? I hope you liked it, and bye.